Hello, and welcome to the BakaBrigade.
I'm Hikaru.
I'm Alamar.
And this is Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. We now have brand new microphone headsets which we are using, which thankfully have much better sound quality than our crappy microphones that we had before.
Hey, I found the memory card that we have the
wow.
Rhino on.
Nice.
But I'm gonna be starting a new file.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be starting brand new files. Now for this one, as this is not actually a multiplayer game, what we are going to do is switch off. Where first, oh hey, that's it.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
Meanwhile, at a factory on a nearby planet.
That's different.
How did it make that?
Guess they ran out of parts.
Probably.
How does he reach the go pedals?
Approaching planet Velden, 1147 AM.
Going down! Ooh, that's gonna hurt.
A bit, yeah.
I don't care what galaxy you're from.
That's gotta hurt. Hey, now we're in the gameplay section.
Alright.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
Yeah! Basic rule in this game, whenever there is stuff, you can smash it.
You get money.
Yep.
Anyway.
Automatically comes to you.
Anyway, what we are going to do with the cutscenes, or not cutscenes, with switching off, is every time we die or get to a checkpoint, we will switch.
Yep. Granted, if we've just switched off recently and then we hit a checkpoint, we're just gonna keep it that way, because we just switched off recently.
Yeah.
And by recently, we mean like, no, not half an hour, a couple minutes.
Yeah.
But there will cutscenes. I don't think any of us will last half an hour without dying.
Yeah.
Or at least reaching a checkpoint. Checkpoints are not that far.
Perhaps in the very late game, like when we're grinding and stuff, we'll switch out every planet or something, where we're just going through and annihilating everything for money. But we'll also try and speed that up so you don't have to just watch us killing, and murder.
Might get some funny commentary though.
We'll try to keep that in there or something. Die boxes!
We might keep in like post commentary or something and give you
Yeah.
because catchy music is catchy.
I can't kill those.
No, they're plants.
You can kill some of the plants!
Not those plants. Actually, the number of plants you can kill is rather small.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the time.
By the way, as you may have noticed, we only have a couple of videos out. We just managed to get a sound recording is actually somewhat decent for us. So We're not actually
Die, Battletoads!
Kind of like those Metroid Prime enemies with that fire proud of it.
The Speaker?
Yeah, those things.
That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, let Galvatron's patented
That is
nanotech
sweet
system
Melanie
repair
Helm.
your body from the inside out.
Quite literally, it is the all that money that guy dropped.
Wrench, grab me my money!
Yes, you have a magnetic wrench. It will grab you your money if you throw it. Really,
Die, attack, frog!
really cool. Oh yeah, watch out for the attack frog. There, look at him. Many of you know what that is from. You are absolutely epic, although you find it later in one of our other Let's Plays.
Well, more likely, Hikaru plays.
Yeah.
I'm not very good at that game.
No, but you might stay around for some time.
Ow. How dare you!
That means that when you get hit by most of these enemies, they will kind of go, ha ha ha, and actually give you a chance to run up and hit them.
Or run away.
Yeah. Run the hell away. Run the hell away is also a good strategy. By other enemies, you can
Or to lure your enemies into killing you.
To use your bomb glove, press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire it. You can also use it in first person by holding down the L1 button.
also use an L1 button is just a general aim button. You can look around at things you can't really see from the camera angle, which means you can throw your wrench in various different directions, such as at the ground.
Or you can just tap at the central camera behind you.
Also, you can
Die. Die.
I like the brain. As you can see, we don't really have very much we can do with our time besides watching YouTube videos and play videos.
Thou hast too much time on thy hands.
Yes. Yes, sir. Also, golden rod to whoever gets that reference. Hey, ooh, a thing, it's fine now.
Yoink.
First actual dialogue.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Fail.
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
You know, Ratchet just said he didn't care about saving the galaxy, even if I wanted to. Oh, he doesn't.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Ooh,
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
He has no idea how to fly. He just built that ship.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
entering atmosphere of planet Novalis. There you go, Kevin.
Now, Alamar has played this game a great more deal than I have. So, I gotta remember how to play.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
And that is the save icon. It'll usually show up at the bottom of the screen, and not in the middle of it. Like that.
If you start. I don't think you can break that.
I'm getting a feel for the controls. Alamar. Don't speed into the microphone. I'm not wanting to. Well, cover your microphone.
But I didn't actually speak. I believe.
Press the square button to dive and the X button to rise. Push the X button harder to rise more quickly.
Harder? Oh, no.
That doesn't work. Press it harder. Ooh, money. Gimme, 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 gimme. And that is the oxygen bar. Very intentional. Very important.
As you can see, Ratchet does not enjoy high pressure, which, you know, for a standard person, has little experience with swimming underwater.
Makes perfect sense.
You can only stay underwater for about 30 seconds. If that. Really sucks is even if you're about at the surface, if that bar runs out, if you are not above the surface, you die.
Wrong way. But there's a way that way.
There's also stuff over here. Like door.
Ah, yeah.
We love
Let's
this
go.
guy.
I got some great bargains for you today.
And we're just gonna sit here and listen to him say stuff because he's funny.
And read the top bar. Bomb glove.
Throw bombs at your enemies.
Boom!
With flashy letters. Check out our all-new...
Let's go, buddy. I ain't got all day.
Line of medium and long-range gadgets.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Pyrociter.
This fearsome weapon really shines at close range. Great for taking out those pesky small enemies.
Unfortunately, as you can see, this costs $2,500, and we currently have
Visit
$1,500.
Let's go, buddy. I ain't got all day.
You, the latest in...
Latest in stuff I don't care about right now because I can't buy that right now. As you can probably tell, I just did the double jump. Water physics. Later on, you do get a glide style function. Unfortunately, that's a robot attachment to Clank.
Kill the mushrooms.
Well, only certain mushrooms are pretty good.
Nope. Stupid mushrooms being indestructible.
Completely total bug. Ah, this one breaks.
Think the small ones break?
What? I wasn't aiming at you. I was aiming at you.
Have a rotten day! Adios, amigo! I think you can kill those green ones. At least the smaller ones. Yeah! The boss. Ooh, big ones too. And we get paid! Yay! Yeah! Hooray for environmental destruction!
That is my best, most favoritist job of all!
That way.
I'm going up. And now I'm going down. Yay, me! Oh look, our slip up creature made it in here. Good.
At least we have that.
And I missed all the money in that.
All the shiny, shiny, pretty money.
I can't change my view.
I like how his cheeks actually puff out in the water.
Yeah.
Attention to detail.
Up we go with it. Ratchet. Back down.
If the currency is gold, then building a robot must be really freaking expensive.
True. I think it might be special bolts. They might be a special kind of alloy.
That would make sense.
Up we go.
Then again, one bolt doesn't seem to be worth very much.
This is entirely true. Granted, certain kinds of weapon ammo you can get later on are in fact worth one bolt. And up we go, and now we are no longer swimming around in the water. We can, in fact, smash things. Ah,
There was a hole there.
there's a hole there. And there's stuff up here too.
Yeah, these are only one bolt. Let's not worry too much about them.
But money.
But we can get more money more faster if we murder.
True.
Nothing.
Oh, come on, that's just absolute bullcrap. Yeah. What you said, Alma. Hello. I like how most of the enemies in this game are actually biological robots. That's a really nice touch. Just about most things in this galaxy are actually robotic in nature, which also happen to be alive. I guess that one's not flashable. Oh wow.
Yeah, can we smash those? Nope.
That's stinky.
Stupid immunoshrooms.
Here, anything?
Nothing.
That's also poo-poo.
Let's call it Mario. He'll get rid of the shrooms. He'll also trip out.
Oh, dude, I forgot about mothers and stuff, dude. Well, at least this princess won't be in another castle.
I believe if we bomb a wall somewhere around here. There! Bomb that! Gold bolt!
Woohoo! These are very important.
Later. Post game.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is a post game thing. But for right now, we can collect them. In the other games, you can use them before post game.
Auto target? I wanted those boxes, not the other boxes.
You know, we never did see the box that he was standing on by his ship. Whatever. I'm gonna go with game logic.
Yeah, game logic. Now, we will be trying to do 100%. Don't know how well that's gonna work, since we've never 100%ed this thing before.
I'm not sure if I've even 100%ed anything. Or maybe something.
Yeah, the only thing I've really 100%ed before is the original Spyro game from 1 and 2. Unfortunately, I have to buy a new copy of Spyro 3 Year of the Dragon. This is not Enter the Dragonfly. This is the original PlayStation game, not the fact the GameCube game. But,
Hey, I have some nostalgia for that crap GameCube game.
well, my nostalgia is reserved for the original trilogy.
I think that was really much more smash.
But yeah, back to the whole thing. I'm unable, it seems, to 100% my current copy of Year of the Dragon because this stupid thing has taken out bits and pieces, preventing you from getting 100%, like certain gems in the levels. Absolute bullcrap.
I'd say this is a good point to trade off. Wooden shield?
True. I said open the thing! So,
I got some great bargains for you today.
Help! I'm stuck in this box!
ha 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 ha!
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Yeah! Hi there, Fuzzball.
Gadgetron is your one-stop shop for all your
Gadget and ammunition needs.
Click.
Yes.
Woohoo! And there's
Thank
the ammo
you.
that costs 1 bolt. And you are given half ammo for everything that you buy.
So, you gonna buy something or what?
Woohoo! His facial expressions are just like, what? What even is he? You only really get a race name for Ratchet later on in other games and the Blarg. That's really the only kind of race names that I've ever seen you name.
So, you gonna buy
I'm
something or what?
stuck in this box.
Yes, Alamar, you've already said that. Get out of your box already. Think outside the box.
Gadgetron is the quad. You know I like the box. It's there for a reason. It makes me feel safe. Like the box.
Yes, Alamar, you like your box.
Plus I can throw it at people.
Yeah. Woohoo! We got a flamethrower!
Dude, he doesn't pull the ammo or nothing.
Well, we're gonna trade off.
Gosh, I would be going this way.
Oh, yeah, I remember this. We hated this place.
Because we sucked at platforming then. Good times, good times. Bugasaurus! Money, 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 money. Ah! Whoa!
I'm gonna have to go down that way to get all the bolts that are in there. That's just looks fun. We're essentially going to do, when we finish this area, we're gonna
We've been recording for 25 minutes already.
Oh yeah, we've been recording for almost half an hour right now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna
Finish the planet?
finish this planet, and we're gonna call it a day today, and we're gonna do more tomorrow.
Okay. We can upload all of that?
Oh yeah, we can upload it all. We don't have to upload it all separate at the same time.
Okay. I don't know what the YouTubing rules are.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, we're still getting a hang for all this sort of let's play and stuff. What we can and can't do. But I do know that you can upload videos almost half an hour long. As a matter of fact, pause. We're gonna cut this short and then we're gonna continue recording on a separate file. So that'll make things easier. So
Yep.
we'll catch you up in a bit. Shane.
John.